Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is all about Galaxy Z Flip and 6. First of all, let's talk about its design and hardware, then screen, cameras and performance, software and hardware. So let's start technology. GSM, CDMA, HSPA and LTE 5G. 2G bands GSM 850, 900 and 1800, also available in 1900, CDMA 800 and 1900. Next is 3G bands HSDPA 850 and 900, 1700, AWS HSDPA 850, 900, 1900 and 2100, and also available in CDMA 2000 and 4G bands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 28, 32 and 38, 39, 40, 41, 66 international, and USA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 28, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 48, 66, 71, and R was about USA 5 bands, 5G bands 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, 20, 25, 26, 28, 38, 40, 41 and 66, 75, 77, 78 international, and about the speed HSPA, LTE, CA and 5G speed launch, and now 2024 July 10 July it was launched, and status is available, release 2024 July 24. So body dimensions about its body: unfolded 165.1 by 71.9 by 6.9 mm, and folded is 85.1 by 71.9 by 14.9 mm, and its weight is 187 gram. Built plastic front and glass back, so Gorilla Glass Victus 2 aluminium frame, and SIM, nano SIM and multi SIM. So display type foldable dynamic, and size is 6.7 inches, resolution 1080 by 2640 pixels, curved display, Super AMOLED, and platform OS Android 14, chipset and CPU 8 core, GPU Adreno 750